Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment we've all been waiting for. At least I have. For the last 3 months, I've been waiting on these. And I know other people have too. So let's check these things out, because I am so excited to see how they look.
They are going to be definitely the most expensive wheels that we've unboxed here.
Definitely the most baller set too.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's there. There we go. That's some big boxes.
Look, that's how you know they're good.
And no, don't ask in the comments, because we're not going to tell you the offset. It's a secret.
Yep. Wow.
Oh my. You can't really tell how deep they are because of the plastic. Oh,
like, I don't even want to touch them.
That is crazy.
Oh my god. Wow.
This is a front.
Yeah, that's a front, ladies and gentlemen. Turn the thing sideways for me. That's a front, guys. That's a thick boy. Ooh, what stickers we got? Ooh. Ooh, thanks, Brad.
These are for the wheels though, Dan, sorry.
Yeah, those are for fancy stuff. This isn't.
Look, he outlined it and let you know. Look at that, man.
I want to take a picture of this, that way when
That's
I
legit.
peel all these off, I don't forget.
Can't stop looking at him.
Yeah, I mean, this just...
I'm curious to know what powder color that is, man. That's
It's called Gorgeous. That's what... Oh
like
my
chocolate.
gosh.
You know what I'm
It's...
Alright, this is another front.
Here's an iPhone 10, ladies and gentlemen. On these wheels.
Yeah, son.
Unbelievable. Just gorgeous.
How long are these? What is this one?
Fronts are 12?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 19 by 12 square.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
We weren't ready.
I was not ready.
We weren't ready.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
It doesn't even do it justice on camera. Like that's, it looks like, okay, whatever.
I mean, that's my hand.
Here, everybody knows an iPhone 10, okay? How big it is. And it's still not even it's like another inch and a half to the lip.
You need like $100 bill and a half to get out.
Yeah. That's ignorant.
It's ignorant.
I love it.
I love it.
Just wow, to the finish on them. I'm in love with it. I'm just gonna be standing here for like the next 10 minutes just staring at these things because it's
like that.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning up after all y'all pigs, man.
Chris treated us to lunch today. So, two big old turbos sitting here. This one is for a really sick Pandem R32 build that we're going to be doing. It's a full-on drag car. It's going to be sweet. And that one is for Brad's Rival GTR build. So, we've been jamming back here.
What's up, you two? Alright, I'm done.
What are you mopping?
I was gonna take a sip of my drink, and my drink was like, nah, I'm gonna head out, and dipped out on the floor, so.
But CJ's been busting on the last 2 days while I've been busting on that. And we got the 13B back in here.
Runs.
It does run.
It runs.
So, not like we're surprised, but it's rotaries. So
So I got a customer. His name's Sean, and he wants to do a Millennium Jade R32 GTR.
oh, I'm about it. Oh yeah,
Like this, but better.
yeah. I like.
Basically, we're gonna do like some side skirts and some more goodies on it.
Yeah, I like that. We should do T37 SLs, pressed graphite, carbon
Right.
fiber AB plug, carbon fiber hood.
Carbon fiber N1 rear spoiler.
Oh yeah.
Maybe a carbon fiber diffuser. Lots of carbon fiber.
Yeah. Millennium Jade is my favorite Nissan factory color. Yeah, RX-7.
Be about it. Does it run? It runs.
CJ's been working on the RX-7.
Yes, he has.
Yep.
It's been fun.
It's been a great time.
Exciting.
Yep. It's been a wonderful experience.
Yes, very frustrating.
at
Been
home.
frustrating at times for him.
But you know what?
If it's not frustrating for CJ though, then it was way too easy because like you could drop a lug nut on the floor and just lose it.
Yeah,
Oh man.
it runs. I just got to button some stuff up.
Yep.
Cool. We'll have this for sale soon.
Oh yeah.
Probably dark behind
You
it.
are a
Too dark
straight
behind it.
silhouette. Cops are coming for us. Took out the rear glass or the rear plastic and stuff out of the back of this car, so we can get the glass and all the moldings out because it's going to paint here in just
Cool.
a minute. So I'm stoked. I'm ready to see this thing painted.
Let me see the side of this thing. Oh man. We'll just put some flares on there and some like Mickey Thompson.
You'd have to
mud
tuck the
tires.
inside too.
Oh man, that would be cool though.
But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way that this turned out.
We should do. Oh, that's what we should do next. We'll do a R32 GTR mud truck.
No.
They're already.
Drive.
They're already all-wheel drive, man. Right?
Jason was talking to me when I took the body panels for this thing down there earlier.
Yeah.
He was like, you know, it'd be cool. He was like, you take the drivetrain from one of those GTRs and put it in a Mustang, all-wheel drive. And I was like,
He's really trying to piss some people
yeah.
off.
I was like,
We
let's
can do
do it.
that.
I was like, I'm all about that.
We'll do
Like,
it.
Fast and Furious already did it.
Yeah. But, well, did they though? 'Cause
Was
it
that real or was that just CGI?
Yeah.
Come over here and show us your box here a little bit. Like,
Yeah?
yeah.
Turd?
Look at this. This is nice.
Yeah. It's got a bunch of my old parts just spewing about everywhere.
Nice, right? Right. This system too. Like, damn.
Look at them rims though.
Oh shit.
Oh,
You got dubs on here?
look at them dubs.
Wow.
yeah.
R31.
Yeah, she's got a RB20 in her.
Nice, nice. Looks like we got to do a little
Yeah, we
touching
gotta,
up to
We gotta
it.
do some touching up for sure.
But I was looking at this car and I was looking at like the seam sealer and everything and the body and all that. It's like, it's nice.
yeah, this thing's pretty sick.
It's
And it's
nice.
got
I
a
looked
carbon fiber
underneath.
hood.
I
Like,
know.
when have you ever seen a carbon fiber hood on an R31?
Never.
Ever. And it's not like all torn up
No, the
either, you know?
the
It's
carbon
not
fiber
faded.
hood's nice. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up and fixed up and for sale, man.
Go through it.
Mark my words. Mark my words, Dan. Mark
Oh, yeah?
them. 31s and 30s are the next ones that are gonna just go skyrocket up in
Yeah.
price.
Well, it's because all the 32s are getting balled up, and then like the 30s and 31s, people have been kind of meh about them. I feel like for the longest time, but I think now this kind of square body is coming back.
Well, you got the Hakosuka,
yeah,
right?
which is like impossible
Which is
to get.
impossible.
They're
They're
not, you're not gonna get it.
$400,000 for a
Yeah.
true like GTR of one of them.
And they won't let you get them. They won't let you
No.
bring it here. They won't sell
No,
it to it.
Japan doesn't want. And then you got the Ken Marys.
Yeah.
All right. They're they're very expensive.
Yeah.
Very expensive. I don't know, $250 for a GTR Ken Mary. Take this to the car show, and when 10 R32 GTRs pull in, You'll
Yeah.
be the only guy with
you'll,
31.
You'll definitely be the only guy there with the 31, and you'll probably be the only person that people are like, "What car is that?"
Man,
Like
it would
anything.
be really cool, like to do like a retro mod on one of these. Put your RB26 single turbo in there. All right, some side skirts and some fenders, flares. Get some flares on here, and then do the lights all LED, but keep the same look.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Same look, but
We
it's
could
just
probably
modern.
you could probably even keep the lenses,
Yeah,
but do them, get them cleared.
I mean, that shit would be cool.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
Let's see what Tevin's doing.
What you doing, man?
Spying on you, man. Someone needs to buy this thing. Because if someone doesn't, I'm just Mike. This thing's dope. We got some wheels for sale too, man. I'll sell these right here, these GTCs 19s. Okay, I'll sell them. Maybe these here. Some Panasport G7s, gunmetal centers, polished lips. Then we got these Inky. They're like 10.5 and 10 wide, 18s. What are these? These are the RS05RR. Then we got some Volk TE37s in white, 4-lug. We'll sell these as well. So contact us. We got some parts we'll sell. These are not for sale. These are going on the Pandem Sylvia. Okay, I'm out. So just keep watching, like, and subscribe.